Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover hacked Instagram account without email, phone number and password. Now if your Instagram account was hacked and you'd like to recover it, then this video is right for you, because this video will give you a step-by-step guide on how to access back your hacked Instagram account. But make sure to follow each and every step shown in this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn notification bell icon for more recovery videos. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, first thing first, you need to clear cache and storage on your Instagram application, and I'll tell you why later in this video. Now open your phone settings. Now scroll to apps. Now select see all apps. Now scroll down and select Instagram. Now tap on storage and cache. So here guys, you need to clear both cache and storage. Now minimize. So another step, you need to open your default web browser that you normally use. So I'll open my Chrome browser. Now in the search bar, just type in Instagram login, and then you search for it. Now take a long press on the very first link, then select open in new tab in group. Now tap on that new tab that you created. So guys, when you land to this page, don't submit your phone number, username or email. Instead, just click on forgot password, tap on that option. Again, when you land to this page, don't submit email, phone number or username. Just click on can't reset your password, tap on that option at the bottom. So guys, when you reach here, just click on, if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked, tap on that down arrow, then select visit this page, click on that link. So guys, the reason as to why I told you earlier to clear both cache and storage is to remove any account that was linked to Instagram application. Now tap on continue in the app and tap on open app. So here they ask you, why can't you get into your account? You select the very first option, my account was hacked, and then tap on the next button at the bottom. Now they tell you identify your account. Now you can go ahead and submit your username, phone number or email that is linked to Instagram account. So I'll submit my username. Then tap on the next button at the bottom. So here they tell you choose a way to recover Instagram account. But since we can't access our email, just tap on try another way here at the bottom. Tap on that option. Now they ask you once again, why can't you get into your Instagram account? You select the third option, my account was hacked. Then tap on the next button at the bottom. So guys, if you have more than one photo on Instagram account, you should go the very first option. So click on the very first option, then tap on the next button. So here they tell you, how can we reach you? Then you need to submit an email that is not linked to Instagram account. Then tap on submit. Then you need to confirm the email address. So minimize your browser and open your Gmail application. Now copy that code and then you submit the code. Then tap on confirm. So guys, the next step is to take a video selfie. So tap on the next button at the bottom. So you need to hold your phone at eye level. Now to grant access to the cameras. Now position your face at the center and check all positions that they request. So tap on submit after taking that video selfie. So here they tell you, we will contact you through the email that you provided. Your request may take 3 to 4 business days. So tap on done. You'll get another email. They tell you, thanks for submitting your selfie video. We received the information and it's pending review. Your request may take a few business days, but usually takes on 24 hours. Now after 24 hours, you'll get another email and they tell you, here are the 3 easy ways to get back into Instagram account. So the first one, log in without password. The second one, reset your password. And the third one, use the code. So guys, I recommend you to reset your password. So click on reset your password. So guys, you need to create a strong password with both characters and numbers. Then tap on log out of other devices. And then tap on the continue button. So you can choose to save your login info. So guys, by doing that, you have now successfully recovered your hacked Instagram account without email, phone number and password. So that is for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on notification bell icon for more recovery videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.